Hello students, you all are welcome in grade 6 maths. Today's new chapter 12 ratio and proportion. So first of all students open page number 244 NCERT textbook. Students, our new chapter, that is ratio and proportion. You must know the term ratio in your previous standard. In our daily life, we compare two things or quantities of same type, underline same type. Why I use same type? You see, say for example, Raja has 4 mangoes, Rani has 8 mangoes. Okay, so this is your small problem. Now, question number 1. What is the ratio of mangoes of Raja to Rani? Okay, now look, रेशियो ऑफ मैंगोस ऑफ पहले कौन है राजा. सो राजा के पास कितने मैंगो है 4 टू रानी. रानी हैज 8 मैंगो, राइट. सो वी कैन राइट 4 upon 8 ratio of Raja's mango to Rani's mango. Now you see 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. Means our answer is 1 upon 2. It means 1 is to 2. So the ratio of Raja to Rani's mango is 1 is to 2. Now question number 2. What is the ratio of Rani to Raja? Okay. Rani has 8 mangoes. Raja has 4 mangoes. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. That is 2 upon 1. That is equal to 2 is to 1. Next question. What is the total ratio of both? Means Raja and Rani to Rani. So, Raja and Rani. Total how many mangoes? 8 plus 4 upon Rani. Total, right? What is the ratio of both? Both means Raja and Rani's mangoes to Rani. And Rani has how many mangoes? 8. That is equal to 12 upon 8. So 12 upon 8 means what? 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. That is 3 upon 2. That is 3 is to 2. Okay. You see, the total ratio of both means Raja and Rani 8 plus 4 upon Rani has 8. So 12 upon 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 3 is to 2. What is the ratio of total mangoes of both to Raja? So, in this case, ratio of both Raja and Rani to Raja. Raja के पास 4 mangoes है, right? So 12 is to 4. So 12 upon 4 means 4 3s are 12. 3 is to 1, like this way. Now next question. In your class, there are 20 boys and 40 girls. So what is the ratio of the number of boys to girls? Question, right? This is the question. So number of boys is what? 20. Number of girls is 40. So the answer, boys is 20, girls are 40. 20 upon 40, 0 0 cut, 2 upon 4 means 2 2s are 4, 1 upon 2, 1 is to 2. What is the ratio of number of girls to number of boys? Number of girls 40, boys 20. है ना, जो पहले वो पहले लो, right? So 4 upon 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 is to 1. 2 upon 1 means 2 is to 1, like this way. Now students, our definition. We compared two quantities in terms of how many times. So this comparison is known as ratio. We represents the ratio A is to B means A is to double dot colon symbol. A is to B means A upon B. If the ratio B is to A, so we represent B is to A. We write first B, then A. Here we write A first B because ratio A is to B means A is to B, A upon B. B is to A means B upon A. Okay, A plus B is to A means A plus B is to A means A plus B upon A. X is to X minus Y means X is to X minus Y means X upon X minus Y. Okay, so this is what we call ratio concept. Now next important thing, can we find the ratios like this way? Students, 1 kilometer to 20 meter? No. Can we find 5 liter to 500 milliliter? No. So how do we find both? So first of all, these unit must be same one, either both in kilometer or both in meter. But here kilometer is there, meter is there. Here liter is there, milliliter is there. So either first you have to make them convert either into kilometer or meter. Look, here this 1 kilometer is to 20 meters. So first of all I have convert this. I have written over here also. First convert them into same units. Either kilometer both or meter both. So here I have convert this. Kilometer to meter. So kilometer means 1000 meter is to 20 meter. So here 0 0 gone. So 100 upon 2 means 250 is 100 means 50 upon 1 means 50 is to 1. Okay. You see 5 liter to 5000 milliliter. So first convert them into milliliter both. So now 5 liter. So 5, how many liters is equal to how many milliliter, that you knew very well. So 5 into 1000 milliliter and 500 milliliter to high. Milliliter cancel. Here meter and meter cancel. So you will get this same unit में आपको कन्वर्ट करना ही है. रेशियो सेम यूनिट में ही आएगा. 0 0 कट, 0 0 कट, 5 5 कट, you will get 10 upon 1, 10 is to 1. So what is the concept? Two quantities can be compared only if they are in the same unit. देखो किलोमीटर मीटर था तो हमने मीटर कर दिया, लीटर मिलीलीटर था हमने मिलीलीटर कर दिया, राइट. So two quantities can be compared only if they are in the same unit. Now come on page number 248, try this. Students, trying to solve by yourself this. Find the ratio of number of notebook to number of books in your bag. आपकी बैग में नोटबुक कितनी है, हाँ, और टेक्स्ट बुक कितनी है. रेशियो ऑफ नंबर ऑफ नोटबुक टू नंबर ऑफ बुक. बुक मीन्स टेक्स्ट बुक. तो उसका रेशियो फाइंड आउट करो. सपोज मेरे पास नंबर ऑफ नोटबुक 15 है और टेक्स्ट बुक 11 है, तो मेरा रेशियो क्या हुआ, नंबर ऑफ नोटबुक 15 is to 11. ऐसे. Find the ratio of number of desk and chair in your classroom. बराबर. आप नाउ यू आर इन 6th स्टैंडर्ड, बराबर. 5th में आपकी कितनी बेंचेस थी और कितनी डेस्क थी, तो उसका रेशियो निकालो, है ना. ओके. फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स अबव 12 years of age in your class. Then find the ratio of number of student at the age above 12 years and remaining students. बराबर. इससे अच्छा आप ऐसा करो कि फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ नंबर ऑफ फीमेल टू नंबर ऑफ मेल. आपके घर में फीमेल कितने हैं, मेल कितने हैं. चिल्ड्रन है तो उसको भी मेल में आप काउंट कर लो, बराबर. तो चिल्ड्रन, ब्रदर, सिस्टर, फादर, मदर, राइट. उसमें से फीमेल कितने हैं, मेल कितने, इसका रेशियो आप ढूंढ सकते हो अपने आप. फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ नंबर ऑफ डोर्स एंड नंबर ऑफ विंडोज इन योर क्लासरूम. क्लासरूम तो हमारे सेम साइज के है, तो उसके आप ये ढूंढ सकते हो. नाउ ड्रॉ एनी रेक्टेंगल एंड फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ इट लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ. आप कोई भी एक ड्रॉ कर दो रेक्टेंगल, उसका लेंथ लगाओ से 100 मीटर, उसका ब्रेथ लगाओ से 50 मीटर, और Find out the ratio 100 is to 50 and a length is to breadth is to height 50 to 15 to length, like this way. Move to example number 1. Length and breadth of rectangular field is 50 meter and 15 meter respectively. Find the ratio of length to breadth. Answer is here. You see, length of rectangular field 50 meter, breadth of rectangular field 15 meters. So ratio of the length to breadth 50 upon 15, right? 10 upon 3. So ratio is 10 upon 3. Meter cancel. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, so 10 upon 3. Like this way you can find. Example number 2, 9 centimeter to 1.5 meter. Now you see here units are different, so convert them either into both centimeter or both in meter. हम क्या कर रहे हैं, दोनों को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो 90 सेंटीमीटर पुट एज इट इज 1.5 मीटर. So how many meters equal to centimeter? 100 centimeter. So centimeter cancel. बराबर 1.5 multiplied by 100 करेंगे, you will get 1500. Now take out one decimal point from right to left. एक गया, तो अभी ये क्या हुआ 90 upon 150 सेंटीमीटर गॉन, 0 गॉन, राइट. 5 the 3 5s are 15 and 3 3s are 9. So our answer is 3 upon 5, or you can write 3:5 like this way. Now, example number 3, that is your homework. Please do solve by yourself. It is given in the textbook. Example number 4. Find the equivalent ratio of 6:4. Now, these students, I think we have studied in our this fraction chapter. So again, equivalent ratio के क्या, पहले 6:4 का equivalent ratio 6 upon 6:4 पहले आप उसको multiply and divide by 2, यानी न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर 2 से डिवाइड और मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. बराबर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, यहाँ भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, राइट. या मल्टीप्लाई करो और 2 से डिवाइड करो, इसे दोनों का सेम. न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई, डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई. बराबर ऐसे भी बोलते हैं कि मल्टीप्लाई 2 बाय न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, और ऐसे भी बोलते हैं कि भाई यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय 2, तो वो भी चलेगा, राइट. सो 3 से यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करो, यहाँ 4 से करो, देन इट बिकम्स इक्विवेलेंट रेशियो. 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 6 3s are 18, 4 3s are 12, 6 4s are 24, 4 4s are 16. So 12 upon 8, 18 upon 12 and 24 upon 16 are equivalent ratio of 6:4 or 6 upon 4. Okay. Now example number 5. This also we have done in our fraction chapters. Now 14 upon 21 is equal to dash upon 3 is equal to 6 upon dash. तो पहले ये सॉल्व करेंगे. Now 14 upon 21 रख दो, राइट. चलो इसके फैक्टराइज कर दो. 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 7 7 गॉन. सो क्या रह गया 2 upon 3, यानी कि समथिंग अपॉन 3 यानी 2. सो आंसर इज 2, like this way. Next one, 14 upon 21 is equal to 6 upon dash. So 14 upon 21, right. Similarly आप पहले इसको फैक्टराइज कर दो. 7 7 गॉन, सो 2 upon 3. अभी देखो न्यूमरेटर में 6 लाना है, तो कैसे आएगा 2 3s are 6, तो 3 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो ऊपर नीचे, तो 6 upon dash, तो क्या आ जाएगा 9. Like this way you can do. Now exercise 12.1, you have to do question number 1 to 10, that is in the form of HW. Okay, so these all question number 1 to 10, it is same type, just now I have explained to you. Okay, so if you have any problem, then you can ask me. So till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.